Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering. Today I'm going to show you how to install the carbon fiber pipe guard that we have available now for the 2023 KTM and Husqvarna motorcycles. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is take the larger of the two of the hose clamps and go through the bottom slot from the inside outward and then back through the top slot, leaving the bolt right here at the very bottom. That way when you go to tighten it, it's out of the way. You're not going to hit your boot on it, stuff like that, and then you can still get a wrench to it to tighten it up. So you're going to want it just a couple inches away from that bottom slot, and then take the excess, wrap it around the pipe. Alright, so now that we've got it started a little ways here on the bolt, you want to go back through before you tighten it up and make sure that the pipe guard is sitting on the pipe right where it should be. It's only going to fit in one spot. So then once you get it in that spot, then we can go ahead and finish tightening this all the way down. Okay, so we have the larger of the hose clamps tightened up. The other one's going to go right here where it's kind of slotted in the carbon fiber. You're going to line that hose clamp right up into that groove. And then you're going to want your bolt back here by the frame of the motorcycle. So again, it's out of the way, it's not going to catch on stuff. And then you can also still get a wrench to it. So line up the hose clamp, get it started, and then you can start tightening it down. Okay, now that you've got them both tightened down, you might have a little bit of access from the hose clamp. If you want, you can just cut that nice and close to give you a nice clean look, and then it's not sticking out as far. So any of the access, you can go ahead and cut that off now. Alright, so that's how you install the Enduro Engineering carbon fiber pipe guard for the 250 and 300 of the 2023 KTM and Husqvarnas. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com.